Good morning, dear student. We are see the chapter number 2, parallel lines. We are going to learn the problem set 2. Question number 2. Ray PQ and ray PR are the perpendicular to each other. Point B and point A are in the interior and exterior of angle QPR respectively. Ray PQ, PB and ray PA are the perpendicular to each other. Draw the figure showing all these rays and right is a angle PQR, angle BPA is a right angle. First, a pair of complementary angle. Second, a pair of supplementary angle. A pair of congruent angle. Solution. First, a pair of complementary angles is a angle QPB, angle QPB and angle BPR, and another is PPR, angle BPR and angle RPA, angle RPA is the complementary angles, is measured in a 90 degree. Second, a pair of supplementary angle. A pair of supplementary angles is measured in 180 degree. QPR angle, QPR and BPA and angle BPA is a QPR and BPA is a supplementary angle. Next one, third one, a pair of congruent angles, angle QPB, angle QPB and angle RPA, angle RPA, another angle QPR and angle RPA, angle BPA is the congruent angle, is the QPB and RPA is the and angle BPR and BPA is a congruent. BPA is a congruent. Next question, third one. Prove that if a line is a perpendicular to one of the two parallel lines, then it is a perpendicular to the other lines is also. Prove काय करायचं आहे? A line is perpendicular to the one and two parallel lines, then the perpendicular to the other lines is also. म्हणजे EF ही काय असणार आहे? परपेंडिक्युलर AB आणि CD ला काय असणार आहे? परपेंडिक्युलर आहे. हे आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? दाखवायचं आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये गिवन given line AB parallel line CD and EF is transversal. EF is a transversal. And intersecting point M and N. Intersecting point M and N respectively, and EF perpendicular to AB, to prove EF perpendicular to line EF perpendicular line CD, proof line AB parallel line CD, parallel line to CD on transversal is a EF. Angle EMB is equal to MND. Angle MND is equal to 90 degree. Is equal to 90 degree is a corresponding angle. Therefore, angle MND is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, line EF perpendicular line CD is the proof. Next one question. Fourth question. In the adjoining figure, measure of the some angles are shown. Using the measure, find the measure of angle X and angle Y, and hence show that the line L parallel to line M. Proof angle BMN, angle BMN is equal to angle AME, vertically opposite angle, angle AME is equal to 130 degree. Therefore, angle BMN is equal to 130 degree. BMN is a 130 degree. Therefore, angle X is equal to 130 degree. Next one is angle MND. Angle MND is equal to angle CNF. Angle CNF is a vertically opposite angles, vertically opposite angle. Either M and D is and C and F. C and F is a, therefore angle M and D is equal to 50 degree. Therefore angle C and F or angle Y is equal to 50 degree, 50 degree, 50 degree and 50 degree. Therefore angle BMN plus angle MND is equal to 180 degree is a by interior angle, by interior angle. Angle BMN is a 130 degree plus MND is equal to 150 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore line AB parallel line CD or line L parallel line M is the answer. Next question. Fifth one. In the given figure, line AB parallel to line CD parallel to EF and line QP is the transversal. If angle Y is equal to ratio angle Z is equal to 3:7, then find the measure of angle X. Measure X. Proof or solution. Angle Y is equal to angle Z is equal to ratio is 3:7. Angle X and Z is the ratio is 3:7. Let the common multiple be A. Angle Y is equal to 3A and angle Z is equal to 7A. Therefore line AB parallel line EF, AB parallel line to EF. Angle X is equal to angle Z is a alternate angle is a Z angle. X and Z is a alternate angle. Line AB parallel line CD on PQ is transversal. PQ is a transversal. Angle X plus angle Y is equal to 180 degree is a interior angle. Theorem. Angle X is equal to X is equal to 0, Z, X is equal to 7A and angle y is equal to 3a. The angle A 7a plus 3a is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. 7a plus 3a is a 10a is equal to 180 degree. A is equal to 180 upon 10. A is equal to 18. 0 0 cancel. 18 unit. 18 unit. Therefore angle x is equal to 7 multiplied by a is equal to 7 into a is substituting value 18. 7 8 are 7 into 18 is equal to 126 degree. Angle x is equal to 126. Therefore angle y is equal to 3 into a is equal to 3 into 18, 54 degree is a angle y is a value is a 54 degree is a question number 5. Question number 6. Question number 6. In the adjoining figure, if line Q parallel line R, P and Q and R is a parallel line and transversal is a P. Angle A is equal to 80 degree. Angle A is equal to 80 degree. Find the measure of angle F. Measure of angle F and G. F and G. F and G. Solution. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Angle in linear pair. Angle in a linear pair. Angle A is equal to 80 degree. 80 degree plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree. Angle B is equal to 100 degree. B is equal to 100 degree. Angle B and angle B is equal to angle B is equal to angle F is a corresponding angles. Angle F is equal to 100 degree. Therefore angle F plus angle G is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree is the angle in linear pair. Angle F is equal to 100 degree plus angle G is equal to 180 degree. Angle G is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. Angle G is equal to 80 degree. Angle G is equal to 80 degree. Angle G is equal to 80 degree. Therefore angle F is equal to 100 degree and angle G is equal to 80 degree is the answer. Next one question. In the adjoining AB parallel to CF, AB parallel to CF and line BC and line BC parallel to line CD. BC parallel to line parallel to ED, parallel to ED, parallel to ED. Then prove that angle ABC, angle ABC, ABC and angle FD and EDF, EDF is the proof. Therefore, proof line AB parallel, AB parallel line CF, CF is the given, on transversal, BC, transversal is a BC, transversal is a BC. AB parallel to CF, CF and transversal BC. Angle ABC, angle ABC is equal to angle BCD, BCD, BCD is the shade, is a alternate angle, line BC parallel to, line BC parallel to ED, parallel to ED, line ED on transversal, is a CF, transversal is a CF. Therefore, angle FDE, FDE is equal to angle FDE is equal to angle BCD, 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 BCD. Right? FDE and BCD, BCD is a corresponding angles, Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle FDE is the proof. FDE is the proof. Next one question number 8. Question number 8. In the given figure, line PS is a transversal of a parallel line AB and CD if ray QX, ray QY and ray RX, ray RY are a angle bisector, then the prove that the quadrilateral QXRY is a rectangle. QX, Y and R is a rectangle. Proof. Let angle AOX, AQX is equal to RQX is equal to A, is the equation. First, angle BQY is equal to RQY is equal to P is the equation. Second, angle CRX is equal to RQX or QRX are